Good morning. It's Thursday. No, it's not. It's Tuesday, the 5th of August. How is it August already? And today we are on Hotlines with the Blackburn Bus Company. We are just doing our safety checks this morning, make sure everything looks okay on the bus. Bit of a later start for us. I've asked for overtime basically, and yeah, they said to me, fair enough, what do you want to do? I was like, just want some overtime, man. And they put me on Blackburn. So we're on the Deckers. Old times would be, you couldn't go on the Deckers until you completed your decorate. Look at the view. I mean, you sat at the front on these, you're getting a marvellous view, aren't you? So yeah, obviously there's none of that now. Once you know the route, you can go on the route, train the route, learn the route, become the route. So yeah, I think we start at, we're going to town centre. Oh, the safety feature cut out. Only been 3 minutes. So yeah, the saloon's fine. Let's put that down, it's fine. Nice and clean. So look at the duty card today. I think I start at Blackburn, I'm off to Burnley. Idle shut down. So yeah, I'm on board 423, duty 334. And start at Blackburn bus station, head to Burnley, Preston, and then back for relief. So 1.5 trips. So meal break is at 9:27 till 10:12. And a Blackburn, Preston, and then I finish on a Burnley coming back into Blackburn. Shouldn't be too bad. So I just need to go get some timetables because we've no timetables, and yeah, we'll get her out. It's 23, I think. So yeah, we'll get some timetables. So we've got till 35 till we leave. All the way to Preston now. Yeah, should be fun. 6:35. Duty summary took £14. Let's see. I don't think I've had a record going. I'm gonna be careful with this little bay here. Can't go back too far. On the hotline. It's going good so far. About 10 minutes break left. I don't know how I got here so early. Don't know what I did. So yeah, duty wise, 76 sold. Parts in 9 minutes. It says 10 on board. That's probably counting down. £44 done. Yeah, relatively easy so far. So our break is at 9:20. Might struggle to get into Blackburn on time because there's roadworks. We won't have any passes on this one. Whoever takes over is not going to get any passes until Wishdom War Memorial. So yeah, so far it's been quite easy. A little bit more easier than the Rosso 464s. I tend to find it's because, I don't know if it's because like you do 464 all the time, so your brain's just not firing properly. And you're just like taking a moment to get there. But I found this quite enjoyable. Just plodding along, stopping at every other stop, picking up people to work. Yeah, it's been quite fun. I was panicking that I was going to get here because I was like 5 minutes to get here. Or like 5-10 minutes early. I was panicking there was going to be a vision bus on stand. Because I don't know what the protocol is for how to get around There is a coach park, but I don't know if we can go around that. I need to ask that question. How we get around if there's a vision bus, what do we do next? So yeah. But yeah, hopefully it continues to be a good day. I've only got my dinner break. Right, let's have a look. Dinner break. I've got a Blackburn at 18 minutes past to Preston. Come back to Preston. Go back to Burnley. And then Burnley back to Blackburn. So yeah. I should have not brought my car this morning. I should have just travelled in and walked in, but I didn't think. I need to go shopping anyway, so it's not like I can do much about it. Just shocked how quiet. I just put 2 people on. That's all I've done for this duty. 2 people to both to Blackburn, I think. But yeah, should be fun. It's relatively clean. No lost property. Don't half get warm these buses though. I've got aircon off and it's still warm. I don't know how. I've turned the hot heating system off, but yeah, it's still hot. But yeah. We'll just see. We'll see how it goes on. Stagecoach is here now. Take off this nice little bus. 59. You never know what you're going to get on the 59 with Stagecoach. Could be anything. Kind of like spotting them, that's why. But yeah. Right, I'm going to sit down in my cab and be quiet. 10 minutes. And enjoy what I've got left before I set off. So I'll see you up. Last bit. We are doing that bit. That bit is the last bit. 12:52. No, it isn't. It's this bit here. So we're leaving Blackburn at 11:53. Off to Burnley and then coming back. And that's our relief time. 13:43. Pushing it really today. First part, this one, 7 minutes late. Back on time this one. No, apparently I've been doing the diversion wrong. Figure it out later. I finished about an hour ago. Kind of didn't get time to record an outro because I was in a bit of a rush to get back. I had to drop one of the lads off in town centre again. Bit of a tough one actually, bit of a strange one. Mega late. Mega late coming into Preston on this first part. Pulled it back when we got into Blackburn, was doing really well. Got to Burnley perfectly on time. Did really well with the Burnley one, and then we hit Padiham and we were 28 minutes late. It were a tough one today. It's a different perspective, brings different people out. Took about 100, I don't know, I chucked my ticket away, I think it was like 100, 180 pound, 118 pound, something like that. So yeah, it was a bit of a different thing. Must admit, I think the customers on the 464 may actually be friendlier than the hotline. A lot of people don't really want to talk to you on the hotline. So yeah, bit of a different day. Glad to be home now. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.